Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add a payment method on TikTok. Over to the TikTok app, just go to shop, just head over to cart, and from here, just select the item that you want to check out by ticking the circle, then click on checkout, just slide down. And as you can see, you can choose the payment method that you want. And if we click view all options, you can see more payment method that you can use. Say for example, we want to pay via GCash, you can easily link your GCash account. Just press on OK. From there, we have now successfully added a new payment method. That added payment method will automatically reflect here. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily add a payment method on TikTok. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!